play small so that other people around us can feel better about themselves. Yeah. You are who you are, the light that you shine is big, baby. Hey, this the last time I ever dim my light to make you feel better. People try to silence you when they know they ain't on your level. I've been at the point, I don't fight, I just walk away. Rather keep my peace and try to beg somebody else to stay. I used to fear abandonment. Circles stay big and insecurities were evident. Everybody talking but they don't address the elephant. Read the room, shawty, nothing that you say is relevant. You talking with no evidence. I don't get bitter about it, I just made better boundaries. People think you owe them something, I don't want them chosen around me. I got 2 modes, that's safety and fire. When I'm triggered, I just load it up and I aim higher. When you take L after L after L, every time you learn something. Every bridge is not for you, sometimes you gotta burn some. I don't talk back, I take names and watch how they get mad when you change. Then they quick to shift the blame, yeah. And you a itty bitty crab in a bucket, yeah. The only time you see success is when you lucky, yeah. You think somebody owe you something just for nothing, yeah. And you the one that love to talk when you be bluffing, yeah.